Welcome back. Thanks for joining me again. It's time to wrap it up. It's time for us to wrap up our section on management tools, which included CloudWatch and CloudTrail. So in this section, we went through an introduction to CloudWatch, we did a conceptual overview, and talked about how we could create dashboards within CloudWatch to monitor metrics related to our EC2 instances. We created a dashboard that monitored CPU utilization. We then created an alarm on our EC2 instance CPU utilization and triggered an SNS topic to notify us whenever our CPU utilization exceeded the threshold that we specified. We also created a billing alarm to notify us if our AWS usage charges are estimated to exceed $10. We also talked about CloudTrail, and we went through a conceptual overview of CloudTrail and talked about how you could use CloudTrail to track management tasks like creating an EC2 instance or shutting down an instance, or maybe even creating an S3 bucket. Additionally, we talked about how CloudTrail can be used to track tasks such as uploading or deleting objects from S3. We also talked about pricing related to CloudTrail, and we walked through the process of creating a trail. So that wraps up this section on management tools. Congratulations on completing the section. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next section.